A lonely elephant was wandering the forest looking for friends. He came across a monkey and asked him, "Will you be my friend, monkey?" The monkey replied, "You are too big and cannot swing on trees as I do, so I cannot be your friend." The elephant then came across a small rabbit and asked him if he could be his friend. The rabbit replied, "You are too big to fit inside my burrow. How can you be my friend?" Next, the elephant met a tiny frog and asked if he could be his friend. The frog replied, "You are too big and heavy and cannot jump like me. I am sorry, but we cannot be friends." The elephant walked ahead and asked a fox, but he again got the same reply, that he was too big to be his friend. The next day, all the animals in the forest were running here and there in fear. The elephant stopped a bear running by and asked him what was happening. The bear told him that a tiger had been attacking all the animals. The elephant wanted to help the distressed animals and went to the tiger and said, "Please, sir, leave my friends alone. Do not kill them." The tiger didn't listen to him and asked the elephant to mind his own business. Seeing no other way to solve this problem, the elephant kicked the tiger hard and scared him away. He then went back to the other animals and told them what had happened. On hearing how the brave elephant saved their lives, the animals agreed in unison, "You are just the right size to be our dear friend." The moral of this short story is friends come in all shapes and sizes.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.